This video provides insight into the indigenous culture of Guatemala, deeply rooted in ancient traditions, ceremonies, and spiritual practices. These customs are not just social expressions, but serve a profound spiritual purpose, maintaining the balance between humans, nature, and unseen forces. Indigenous rituals are strongly connected to the sacred Maya calendar known as the Cholquish, which serves as a spiritual guide. It is believed that ancestors and spiritual beings continue to influence life, and ceremonies are performed to honor them. Fire rituals, offerings of maize, flowers, candles, and copal resin are ways to seek blessings, protection, and guidance. In the indigenous worldview, humans are not separate from nature. They are an integral part of a greater whole. Rituals help maintain harmony with the four elements: earth, water, fire, and air. Many ceremonies take place in sacred locations such as mountains, rivers, and caves, drawing on the natural energy of these places. Cleansing and healing are essential aspects of these practices. Smoke, water, and medicinal plants are used to remove negative energies. Sweat lodges, known as temazcal, provide deep physical and spiritual purification. Traditional healing methods do not only address physical ailments, but also the energetic and emotional well-being of an individual. Rituals also mark important life transitions: birth, coming of age, marriage, and even death. Shamans guide initiations for those seeking a deeper spiritual connection, helping them find clarity and purpose. Ultimately, these ceremonies are not relics of the past, but a living connection between past, present, and future. They offer spiritual insight, healing, and a deep sense of belonging. Indigenous traditions hold timeless wisdom that reminds us of our connection to nature and the importance of balance in all aspects of life.